Maybe you're 30 weeks pregnant and you have been dealing with back pain and now you are struggling to even function, even though now you have 10 weeks left of your pregnancy. Or maybe you are a crossfitter and you've never been pregnant, but you want to get pregnant, but you're not sure if your body is ready. Or maybe you are a mom and you've already had 3 children and now you find yourself avoiding certain activities. Let's say you don't go on the trampoline anymore, or you're careful about when you start running after your kids because you fear that if you do, you're gonna pee yourself. My name is Jocelyn Connolly. I'm a physical therapist at Moment of Truth Physical Therapy. And one question that I often get is when to start pelvic floor physical therapy. Because here's why a lot of people don't start pelvic floor physical therapy. Well, one, it's somewhat still taboo. Not enough people know about it. Number 2, it's scary. I mean, a lot of people don't even know what rehabilitation is, physical rehab or PT is to begin with. And then 3, it's embarrassing to talk about some of the issues that we help with. I mean, speaking from my own experience, reasons why I didn't get help were all of those things, and I didn't even know that there were things that I was experiencing that could be helped. So until my function was significantly impacted and I was adjusting my life, I wasn't necessarily ready, even if someone said, hey, you should go see a pelvic physical therapist. So if that sounds like something that resonates with you, check out our videos online that we talk about how we help people and some of the things you might be able to get started now for things that you might be going through. But in general, once you've determined that, yeah, they do seem to have things that could help me get to where I am or resolve the issues that I'm going through, that is the time that we would suggest you start. In the meantime, like I said, look at resources as well as check out some of the testimonials that we have in our channel, or talk to one of your friends that may have seen a pelvic health physical therapist. And give yourself some grace. If you're not ready immediately, it's okay. There's a lot of resources that we have that you can get into until then. Oftentimes we ask ourselves, okay, or we say, you know, I'll just let it go, just forget about it. It'll resolve itself eventually. But unfortunately, a lot of symptoms related to pelvic floor dysfunction don't always resolve. In fact, they can evolve into something bigger that are harder to treat if just pushed to the side for too long, or after having several children and just letting things accumulate. It can also become more intense, but typically they don't go away. So even if you're not ready right now, I really suggest that you check out the resources just to get you started so that you can start changing things and just that you're doing in your everyday life. And what we typically find is people already start to see a difference just by doing that. But if you're ready right now, some of the things that would just be things to look out for, or things to look out for to say, okay, it's an appropriate time for you to start, would be you're not doing the activities you love because you're afraid you're gonna pee your pants, or you are avoiding moments of intimacy in fear that you're gonna have pain, or your life is starting to revolve around your bladder or your bowel movements, or maybe you're no longer able to pick up your kids the way you want and play with your kids, do what you want because of pain somewhere or because of heaviness around your pelvis. If that sounds like you and you are ready, then now's the time to start pelvic PT. If not, if you're not sure or you're not ready, check out the videos, talk to a friend, check out our testimonials, and we'll be here when you are ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. As a wrap up, we talked about when is appropriate time to get started with pelvic PT. If you have any questions, please reach out, send us a message, or visit our website at momentoftruthpt.com.